More than 50 people filled courtroom 203 Monday, all waiting to see how Superior Court Judge Harold Willocks would rule in the case of Senator Alicia Hansen versus the Water and Power Authority, or WAPA, and the Public Services Commission, or the PSC. Hansen, the plaintiff, filed a motion for a temporary restraining order and preliminary injunction to stop WAPA and the PSC from unlawfully charging unreasonable and unjust utility rates under the Levelized Energy Adjustment Clause, or LEAC.
The community needs to back us up because we are not joking anymore about this issue.
A lot of business people were here in court. There were also a lot of individuals because they are personally affected. The issue here is whether or not we are being charged correctly.
Attorney George Hodge, representing Hansen, said if the TRO and injunction weren't granted, it would cause irreparable harm to the community. Judge Willocks said he admired what Attorney Hodge was trying to do and reminded him that for the TRO to be granted, he had to show more than just financial hardship, which Hodge wasn't able to do Monday.
The TRO, there's certain things that you have to prove in a TRO. The court has taken that under advisement, and based on Title 30, that Senator Hansen has a process to follow. If you don't agree with the decision of the court, then you have to appeal that decision.
Executive Director Hugo Hodge testified that the LEAC was implemented in 1989 as a way to recoup fuel costs. He said the base rate, which hovers around 25%, pays for operating expenses, and the LEAC, which is around 75%, goes to pay Hovensa.
The extension agreement is very, very clear. And there has been no dispute about it, even in court today. And that is that they are not to charge us based on the price of oil.
The third extension agreement is very specific. It gives two mechanisms of which that the Hovensa can bill the Water and Power Authority for the fuel it receives. It's either the lower of two things. One, the average landed costs to Hovensa, which the cost they pay for it, plus delivery to St. Croix, or $2 off the New York published price.
Erica Parsons, News 2.